Why does torch.gt function turn requires underscore grad into false? The requires underscore grad of tensor B and C are true, but the requires underscore grad of tensor D is false. I am curious why this change happens because all the requires underscore grad of inputs are true. However, the requires underscore grad of tensor E is true. I can still do backward on E. But is there an error in this way? I am using Python 3.7 and pytorch 1.1.
I assume this is because you cannot take a gradient of greater than operation. The return type is Boolean. Whereas minus or other arithmetic operation returns another numeral.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.